What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Simple Social Tools Review 2019. If you don't know what Simple Social Tools is, it is a Facebook tools that can help automate your business on Facebook. Now, if you love Facebook doing things manually, then this is for you personally. I don't care that much for Facebook. I try to get on and off as quick as possible because I tend to get distracted with people messaging me and this, that, and the other. So I try to get off as quickly as possible, and this tool helps me do that. So I'm going to drop down and I'm going to give you just a rough overview of what this tool does. So when you come into when you log into Facebook and you're on your home screen, the first thing you can do is you can go down through here and like the post. And what you would do is simply open up Simple Social Tools and you would click on the like content. Okay. You can slide this bar here to how many likes you want to do. Okay. They say 40. And that's what I suggest you do as a new user of this tool. Don't try to get overwhelmed. But if you just wanted to like it, then you can go down to say 10, and it will go down through here and like 10 of your posts. I'm not going to run this tool because I ran it earlier today, so I'm not going to run it again, but I just want to give you a rundown of what it can do and how it works. Okay, so that's what this tool, the like content, does. Okay, let's look at the send invites. Now for the send invites, what you want to do is have a fan page. Okay, now if you had a post on your fan page that had a lot of engagement and a lot of content, which I don't, okay, I have some reach, but just say if you had a lot of likes and things on your fan page, then what you would do is you would just simply click on this button, click on Simple Social Tools, and click on send invites. Okay, and if you see how that page moved back up, what Simple Social Tools is going to do, let me do it again. What Simple Social Tools is going to do is going to start sending out invites to people who reacted or commented on your page. Okay, so let me close this up. See if I can get it again, make it act right. Send invites, and you see how it goes here. I'm hoping it will pop up over here, and it's not popping up for some reason. It did earlier today. Let's see, send invites again. Okay, so it says click here. It shows you where to click here, and you'll be able to send invites to people who are, like your page and things like that. So that's what that is for right there. And you have to have this open in order for that little window over here to open up. I forgot about that. Okay, so if I click that right there, and then I open up Simple Social Tools, I click send invite, then you see if you had a whole list of friends here, then you could send invites to whoever would be listed in here. Okay, you can set the delay and the total. So that's how that works. Okay, let's look at another tool. So let's open this up. I want to look at the add friends. This is one of my favorites. Okay, on your add friends, what you want to do is you really want to find a influencer in your niche and get those people to become friends with you so you can start building a relationship with them. So we're going to think of some. I'm going to say Eric Thomas. He's a good motivational speaker. People like him. So if I go down here to Eric Thomas, and if just say his first post right here has 1,200. Okay, 1,200 interactions. So if I wanted to add all of these people as friends that I can add as friend, I will simply come over here, click on the add friends. Now here's the thing, if you find someone in here, and I don't know if anyone's in here, but if you find someone in here that has mutual friends as you can click this box here, and it will go down through there and just choose the ones that have mutual friends with you, okay? But other than that, what you would do is leave this unchecked, set your delay to 10 or 15 seconds. I'm going to say 15. How many do you want to do? You can set it up to, you can set it up to 150 and let the software do its thing. You can set it up to 50, and then let the software do its thing. It's going to go down through there. Now Facebook may show a pop-up, asking you, do you know this friend? Don't worry about it. Just let the software do what it does. Okay. It takes care of all of that. Okay. So then it'll just go down through there, start sending friend requests. As I said, I ran this earlier, so I'm not going to run it again. I'm going to close that out. We're going to look at the next item up for bid. Well, not up for bid. You have pending requests. Okay. These are the ones I have sent friend requests to, and they have not responded. Okay. So you have that, and you can go down through there and send cancel, later on. Right now, I'm just going to let it set because they may accept later on. Okay. Going to go back to Facebook. Another tool that you have inside of there is you can automate the messages. Okay. Click on automate messages. You can look at your older messages. I want to just go because I want to find some that's actually I haven't spoken to. So if you see like Brooklyn, say hi to your new friend Brooklyn, say hi to your new friend Ashraf, people like that, say hi. Then when you click on Simple Social Tools, automate the messages, let it do what it do. This is going to open up. Okay. And then you can send messages to people. Just say to Roy and Sherry. You can click on the new friends, or you can message all. Okay. When you click on new friends, you can message up to however many people you want. You can set your date over here, or you can do a quick time, a day ago, 3 days ago, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, 30 days ago. Okay. You can add names in here that you want this to ignore. Okay. If you wanted to do that, you can add messages in here. You can have unlimited messages in here, as many as you want with different variations, because you don't want to be saying the same thing to the same people or different people. You can change it up. If it's evening, I had evening and night, how's everything going for you? You just once these people accept your friend request, then go ahead and send them a message. Now you're starting to build a relationship with them. So that's how this tool works. You can message all, and you can set the date on there. Okay. Or friends, new friends only. So this is how this tool works. Like I said, if you're on Facebook most of the time, and that's where you run your business from, and then you need a tool like Simple Social Tool that can go in and do this for you. Now, they were supposed to be getting some, I don't know if it works yet, but they're doing some updates to where if you go into, let's just say, this network marketing group here. If you go into this group, they supposed to have it set up to where you can go in here and pick a post. I don't know if they do yet. If you find a post with a lot of likes on it, or comments, then you could go and send friend requests down through that. That's an update that they're working on, and right now, so I don't think they have it released yet, but they will in the future. And when they do, that's just gonna, make things a whole lot better for us. And they have a support group, okay, here on Facebook. As a matter of fact, we're having a training, I believe it's Friday at 9 p.m. live questions and answers. I'm pretty sure they're going to talk about some updates then, okay? So, and they also have training right here within the group as well. This was a sweet training that I enjoyed watching the other day. So if you want to get Simple Social Tool, this is all I have for it. If you want to get Simple Social Tool, there will be a link in the description. If Facebook is your thing, it's not that big of a thing for me. This helps me get on and off as quickly as possible. If you want to get Simple Social Tool, there will be a link in the description below. Okay. If you have any questions, look, come on, hit me up on Facebook, give me a call. Maybe I can answer any questions that you may have about Simple Social Tools. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you'll be notified of other videos. Also, go ahead and like this video and share this video with somebody you know that may need it. Leave me a comment. If you got value out of this video, give me a thumbs up, please. And I look forward to dropping other videos. Thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Have a better day today and a better day tomorrow.